Hey friends, if you encounter the error, can't connect securely to this page on Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. First of all, you need to install all the security updates. Now, why would you need to install all the security updates? Because this is an issue with the security of your system. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab, click on check for updates and make sure that all updates are installed up to the absolute last update. The next one is to update Microsoft Edge. Okay, open Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner, and then we can, what do we say? Select help and feedback and then select about Microsoft Edge. It will start checking for updates and update it to the latest version if possible. Then click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings from the menu, go to the reset settings page, click on restore settings to their default value and click on reset. This will reset all settings related to Edge except for the extensions. So click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions, click on manage extensions. If any problematic extension is here, then simply click on remove to remove it and remove it totally. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.